Good day. My name is Angie Vanessa Sandoval Palma. I am 25 years old. I live in Espinal, Tolima. I am currently studying administration and organization at the Open at a Distance University. At Chinter, I was with my family and with my baby who was October. Thanksgiving resting are one do meet cesarean section. The typical dish of the regional is the tamal. Tamal is a very important dish. A Colombia curries and war with fish. It almost at the menus of traditional Colombian restaurants. Ingredients: 2 pounds of pork, ribs, good import, smashed peas, wether o'clock piece of chicken, 1 pound of bavo cut in smashed pieces, 4 medium potato pellets and sliced, 2 large carrots pellets and sliced, 6 sliced boiled eggs, 1 cup of peas, 3/4 of cut eggs. Instrucciones: Let's add dressing ingredients in blender and blend until smooth. Serve quarto out of the dressing to prepare the dogs. In a plain container, put the meat, add quarto cups of the marinades, mix with, cover and refrigerate overnight. To prepare the duo, place the marechapa in a large pot and the salt, seasonic color and the server seasonic. I invite you to come of Espinal Tolima to try the delicious tamales, since it is typical. This style is called for its pleasure and sweets. Thank you.